Alrighty guys, hi, welcome back to Angie in Wonderland. And a few minutes ago, I shared with you guys some stuff that I picked up at TJ Maxx, and I actually said that I was going to do a separate haul for the other stuff that I picked up at TJ Maxx. And yes, so let's go ahead and get started because there's just a few things here, but I'm totally in love with them and I'm so glad that I found them. First things first, this is not part of, I mean, it's part of the haul, but it's not like part of the little collection that I purchase. I picked up some more thank you cards because these were so cute. I love the little card down there and I love how these hearts are so colorful. This little package of, let's see, how many is in here? I don't even know. 10 was $3.99. So that is so cute. I like to send these with my Posh orders. For the person who purchased my Posh stuff, I always like to send a thank you card. And I just think that these are so cute. So I'm always on the lookout for cute little thank you cards. Okay, so I also picked up 3 of these little plants. These were $6.99 and I picked up all 3 of them exactly alike. And I will tell you the reason why in just a second. So those 3, I love them. And it's very rare that you can find like 3 or 2 of the matching things at TJ Maxx sometimes. So when I saw 3 of them the same, so I had to grab them. Okay. So I went into TJ Maxx basically just to look for Brian some summer clothes because he has been complaining that he doesn't have any like summer clothes or nice clothes to wear or whatever. So I went into TJ Maxx with him in mind. But of course, you get into TJ Maxx and you get sidetracked. I know I do. So like I have a routine, like I start in the purses first and I make my way around. I get to the sunglasses and then I make my way down. To the house stuff. And so I got down into the housewares and I actually wanted to see if they had any new Rae Dunn stuff, and oh my goodness. So these are amazing. And so I just kind of started like grabbing things as I saw them, and I'm like, these are gonna look so cool in my house, so pretty in my kitchen for the 4th of July. Okay, stop rambling, Angie, right? Let's just do this. Okay, so first things first. So this Rae Dunn mug, it says rest. Look. I mean, seriously, that is so cute with little furniture, summer chair, lounge chair there. And then the inside of it is blue. Cute, right? $5.99 at TJ Maxx. Love it. And then I had to have, you can't just like have one mug and not match. So I got a red one with the same little lounge chair, and this one says relax and this one says rest. Rest and relax. And of course the inside of this one is red. Love this. $5.99 for that as well. Okay, and then I saw, which I regret not getting the other one. I thought that I did when I got up there to check out and I didn't. These are their, like her Rae Dunn bowls. Look at this, stars, red, white, and blue stars. Super darn cute. Okay, let me tell you another thing that I love about this stamp. I don't know if it's gonna like focus or not, but look at that stamp. Look how it's stamped at July 4th, 2018. That is like one of those like stamps that you use to stamp on things. And I love it. That is what caught my eye, is that stamp. I love that because it has a year on it, and I love things that are like dated. So years down the road, I'm like, oh my God, it's 2018. You know, I'll be like 75 and I'll be like, oh my gosh, 2018. Love this. I need to go back and get the red one. So I have like, you know, the blue and the red matching. So I need to go get the red one. I probably won't be able to go back today. It'll probably be Monday. Hopefully they will still have them. I don't know. And then in that same little section, shut up, shut the front door, because this, Robin, if you don't have this, I'm so sorry. I have it now, but I'm just like, I'm so in love with this. Look at this. Oh, what? The date too, the flag. This is one of those like little pictures. Holy crap, holy crap. I mean, boom. My eye went straight to that flag and straight to that stamp, and I'm like, I got to have this. So shut the front door because I got it. Yeah, look at this. And there was only like one there, obviously, because there's usually just one. And I am just like, I love it. This is like, I think right now this is my favorite 4th of July piece ever. And again, I love the stamp, the dated stamp. So cute. Look at the detail in that. Hopefully it'll focus and you guys can see that. Look at that. Look at that. Just take a look. Oh my gosh. Love it. Oh my gosh. I am This is like my favorite picture. Alrighty, and then I made my way around another area where, you know, where you can find these or whatever. Underneath all of those shelves is where I found this. Now, I have seen these before, but not this set. They've had the ones that say plant, grow, love or something like this, but this set, again, caught my eye because it's 4th of July and because of that stamp right there. That stamp right there is what sold me on all of these Rae Dunn pieces. That stamp is everything to me. Love this little set. This is so cute. Now, this one you can see a little detail on. It's got like little fireworks on that one. This one has a flag, and then that one has stars. So freaking cute. This thing I think was, it was $19.99. And then of course the tray itself is a Rae Dunn tray. Love this. So my thing was, I thought, well, I can display this somewhere in the house, and I can put like, you know, these little flowers inside of there. And not like all three of them are gonna have like the flowers in there, but I just thought, well, maybe I'll put flowers on, you know, each end of these, and then maybe some straws or something inside of that one. But that's kind of what that was my idea when I got the plants for this, because I love this thing. This and this right now are like my favorite 4th of July pieces in the house. And this is something that I can use for years down the road, pack it up, put it away, bring it back out next year. So freaking cute. I love it. So excited that I have these. So, but that's it for my little Rae Dunn haul. I was so excited to get this, and I was so excited to share this with you guys. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you guys have any of these Rae Dunn pieces, because these are just like so fun. I'm so picky too about like Rae Dunn. There's like certain Rae Dunn things that I like, and there's certain Rae Dunn things that I don't like. These are what I like. Love these. They actually also had like little watermelon jars there too, with Rae Dunn with little watermelon on them. So cute, but I just don't have any place in my kitchen to put all those, and there was just so many of them, and this stuff caught my eye more than anything. So yeah, so there's my Rae Dunn stuff. Hope you guys enjoy this. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.